This is a cool idea. I can't show you the unboxing. The box is covered in barcodes, which Amazon will not allow me to put on here. But here's what this device looks like, and I can tell you where this came from for me. So sitting on top of my camera right there is the receiver for the microphone, as well as some auxiliary lights, and they're all hanging, dangling, strapped on, and it's an absolute mess. So I needed more cold shoes on top of my single cold shoe. And I saw this and I was like, that is so super cool and perfect. Let me show you what it looks like. It's what it looks like in up close and personal. And so this has 3 additional cold shoes on top. It does have some 1/4-20 connections, so you can put all kinds of other things on it as well. It's made out of aluminum, even the thing that tightens down on your cold shoe. So don't go too ape on it because you could definitely break it, but this is really nice and solid. I'm gonna say this is gonna really resolve exactly my problem, right? I need more cold shoes on top of my camera, and I now have 3 additional ones. I guess 2 additional ones. 3 in total, 2 additional ones. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.